Hello children, welcome you all to phase 3 of this chapter, The Fun They Had, prescribed for class 9 CBSE NCERT. Here we proceed. We've already completed phase 1 and phase 2 of this chapter. If you are joining me here on phase 3, I request you to reach phase 1 and then phase 2 to understand what all we've done before beginning phase 3. I have given the links of those two videos in the description box of this video, and also two cards have been displayed above on the top of your screen. So let's proceed for phase 3. I'll be taking a quick summary of what all we've done. The story is set in March 2157. Tommy and Maggie are two children. Tommy finds a real hardbound book in his attic and is engrossed reading it. Engrossed means busy. It was very different from the telebooks that they read. When she asks, he tells her that the book was about schools, and Maggie hates school, so she does not find school an interesting topic to read about. Her own mechanical geography teacher had been giving tests repeatedly, and her performance wasn't good. Finally, the county inspector was called to check it. He repaired the teacher, and it was ready to teach again. Next. Tommy tells her that the schools told about in that old book were very completely different from their school. They were interesting and had human teachers. Those schools were a building and had classes of children of the same age. Maggie too wants to read that book. But soon, Maggie's mother, Mrs. Jones, calls her for school. Maggie gets up and goes into the schoolroom next to her bedroom and finds the mechanical teacher. It tells her to insert the previous day's homework in the proper slot. She thinks about her grandfather's school. She thinks about the fun they must have had in their school. Next. I have given 3 short answer questions for your practice in this phase 3. Write these answers and reach to me in case you require to get more guidance about these answers. Mention your answers in the comment box. What was wrong with Maggie's teacher? Describe Maggie's school. How can you say that Tommy knew more than Maggie? Next. Now we are going to prepare ourselves for deeper understanding of the story, that what all we have learned. I hope you remember the 3 letters T, H and T I taught about in phase 1. Next. What does the chapter tell us about advancement in educational technology? I had given the points earlier also, now I am discussing them in detail. So first point, it tells us about telebooks. Telebooks are read, that this book is read on a screen and not paper, and thousands of books can be stored in one telebook. Then there's the concept of mechanical teacher. It can teach accurately, show telebook, give test and evaluate the test in seconds. It is adjusted according to the level of a child. Individual attention is given to all students, and teachers do not make mistakes and check tests and inform parents. Children do not have to go out. School is indoors and is called a schoolroom. There are some disadvantages also for educational technology, especially when it exceeds lots of limits in schools. These are: children are given individual attention. Even then they are not happy because they yearn for social atmosphere. They want to learn along with their friends. They find the mechanical teachers uninteresting and emotionless. So this system gets geared too tight or too jammed, and then the teacher is taken for repairs, and there may happen a long period of gap in between their regular schooling. The mechanical teachers depend on a program that makes them too strict or over practical, and this gives stress to students, and they are afraid of studying and hate school. Next. How can you compare the 2 different kinds of school presented in the story? The book had information that centuries ago there were different kinds of schools. There was a human teacher who used to give the same lesson to all the boys and girls of the same age. They used to study together in a special building called school, and students had to go to that school and had fun with each other. Now, due to transformation in science and technology, Maggie and Tommy have virtual school. Now, virtual school is not real school. Virtual school वो है जैसे हमारी virtual friends होते हैं या social media पे friends होते हैं, हम उन्हें सच में नहीं देख सकते. The computer is programmed to impart lessons depending on a child's age and learning. It is called a mechanical teacher. The method is very interactive and children learn from the mechanical teacher. The child needs to submit test papers regularly to a computer, and he gets instant feedback in the form of test result. The classroom was restricted to the room designed in such a way that the child can understand the subject with more clarity. So this is how mechanical teacher used to work, and I have also told you how in real school the teachers used to work. So you can compare. If you can add any other point, it is up to you. Next. What are the main features of the mechanical teachers and the schoolrooms in the chapter The Fun They Had? A main feature scan. Mechanical teacher is a computer screen. It has audio video system. It taught students in a mechanized tone. It was always prompt, quick in providing feedback and after a child submitted his papers. Unlike a page in the real books, the mechanical teacher's page is its screen. The screen can display unlimited number of words. The teacher is always present in their house and they can study as per their timings. The human teacher sometimes goes wrong as well. But a mechanical teacher can have some virus playing havoc with its programming. So this is a real thing that we have to be, particular about. This can cause inaccessibility of certain subjects. Sometimes this can lead the teacher to throw really difficult tests, and this may not be suitable for a particular child. Otherwise, the teacher is always programmed to suit each individual student's learning requirement and capability. Next. Necessity of human element in dealing with children. Now, we all know that only humans can understand humans. In the chapter we have seen that Maggie really loved how County Inspector dealt with him. He was a good man, lot like the mechanical teacher. He patted on her head, called her a little girl, appreciated her performance in geography, understood that geography was too difficult for Maggie, and gave her an apple also. Maggie's mother was also worried about Maggie's performance because she was also a human. But the mechanical teacher had no concern or keenness to find out the reason behind Maggie's poor performance in geography because it was just a robot. Rather, it kept giving her test after test. Maggie started hating the subject and she wished that this teacher was taken away forever, and it called it black, dark and ugly. And now we take up the next topic, justifying the title, The Fun They Had. Now, whenever a title is apt and justified, what do? We talk about it, we talk about why it is very much justifiable. How can we say that it is apt, that it has a right related and it has relation, it is correlated to the topic. Now, first of all, we have to understand what is they. They किसके लिए है? They refers to children in Maggie's grandfather's class. So Maggie's school was hated by all the students. These children yearned for, they wanted some fun in their education, but mechanical teachers were very dull and drab. After reading about the school in olden times, Maggie envies. Envy is like jealousy, but in a positive way. Maggie envies the kind of school her grandfather's grandfather had. And that time she thinks about the fun they had in their classrooms. The whole story tells us about the importance of real hardbound paper, printed books over screen books, and human teachers over mechanical teachers. Children in 2175 are provided the best education, which is interactive and instant, but even then it does not win their interest. That is why this title is very, very apt and justified. Next. One question I'm giving now for you to test what you've understood. What challenge was faced by Mrs. Jones, Maggie's mother, Mrs. Jones, in providing the right kind of education to Maggie? I hope my 3-phase chapter notes, this module has been very useful to you. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please press the like icon. Please subscribe to my channel. Stay connected. Click on the notification button also, and I am going to bring you lots of more things for free. Yes, for free, and those things are also going to be very beneficial to perform better in your life in terms of learning and using English. Thank you so much. God bless you. Have a nice day.